Hey crafty friends, it's time to share my favorite monthly clubs from Spellbinders. This month is ocean themed, and I absolutely love it. I've made 4 cards so far to showcase all the fun this month, and I hope these inspire you. The first card is a fun shaker card that showcases this month's small die of the month. The scuba divers are full of detail, and then there's corals and fish that I added at the bottom to create the full scene. So the small die of the month features the scuba divers, and there are so many dies to create all of the intricate details. And it also comes with a bunch of small fish dies as well as coral dies. Now to create the textured background inside the shaker, I used this month's embossing folder. The pattern resembles coral, and I think it went very well with the scene I made. The second card I have is this fun mermaid card. I modeled this off of Ariel and Flounder. So the background is a very subtle foiled bubble pattern, and the mermaid is from the large die of the month club. And for this club, you get the mermaid dies and a large goldfish. There is also a clamshell and a castle tower if you want to create a fish tank scene. Plus, no goldfish is complete without a plastic bag to carry it back from the store in. And I think that's a very creative addition to this set. Plus, there's a sentiment die that says, "Make a splash." I used the mermaid, clamshell, and plants from the large die set, and the flounder fish can be found in the small die set. So here's a look at this month's Glimmer plate, which I used to create the foiled bubble background. This month there's also 2 sentiments, and they're coordinating dies. So there's popping by to say hi and hope your day shimmers, and I used opal foil to create the subtle bubbles. Card 3 is a ship in a bottle. This folded paper ship is featured in the Stitch Die of the Month Club. And you get all the dies to make the paper ship as well as some waves. You also get 3 sentiment dies that say hand-folded hugs, folded with love, and drift and dream. For my card, I only used the folded ship. And then I chose the heart for the flag, and the die set also comes with a star. For my final card, I have a colorful underwater scene with some fish. The clownfish is one of 2 fish dies that you get as a bonus for getting the Deluxe Caboodle box. The background for this card is made using the Stencil of the Month set. This month you get 5 sheets to create the whole image. I used 3 different colors and paired them with a darker version for extra detail, and I even used some shimmer paste for the darker blue just to create some shine and added texture. Every card I made had a stamped sentiment, and those sentiments came from the Clear Stamp Club this month. The coordinated dies are also included as part of the club. You get a ton of sentiments, including the ones I used, which were "May your day go swimmingly," "Make a splash, it's your day," "Sending joy on paper sails," and "See you soon, beautiful soul." The 2 image stamps included are a folded paper ship and a bottle with a ship inside. Both of those have coordinating dies as well. Hope you love the clubs this month as much as I do, and I have a coordinating blog post with all the specific details for each card, as well as links to sign up for the clubs this month. So see you in the next video. Bye!